Well, I'm standing in the backyard right in front of the shop. And these are just some of the trees that are behind the swing tree. And it just drooped all the way to the ground. I don't see any limbs on top of the house. Bear loves this type of weather. She sleeps out here in the yard. Sandy don't care much for her. I'm gonna try to eat around here so I won't fall. Limb that fell out of the oak tree. Oh, mercy, the whole top of it fell out. Yesterday. There's still some more broken limbs up there that could fall. There's one right up here. To the house. Got limbs down on the ground here. Still none on the roof. We're so fortunate. Some of these had landed on the roof. We'd probably had trouble. You know what I can get through here. But that's a pretty little tree there. It's all drooped over. There's just no leaves, just ice on the limbs. But none of these limbs fall on me while I'm out here. They're still pretty drooped. But the sun's coming out and it's so pretty. They're frozen. I'm going around to the front. Oh, mercy. Tons of limbs down. The trees have just drooped. This is in front of the house. I don't know if I can get under that or not. And here it starts melting bicycles on here. And here in the drive, there's some pine trees down across the drive there. Here comes a car that's just traveling pretty good. Well, going slow. I have a paper, but I'll just ease out here. If something starts cracking, I'm going to run. It's a pine tree that we thought was pretty. Pine tree. That'd be quite the same one. But you said I had to drive close here, and then that line is down across the second drive. So we sure couldn't go out that way. We're going to have a lot of them to clean up. Somebody wanted to make money. There's a lot of work here to be done. Oh, that is so pretty. Those trees just coated with ice. These are down so low. If we back out of the garage, the top of the car. We still don't have any electricity. Where that name came from? It's called a winter wonderland. Well, it's about 8:30, and the sun has come out and shining through this ice. It is so pretty. This may not take the sun in front of me. Get down. The dogs just jumped up on me. Sandy? Hang on. Poor Sandy cries all the time. She wants me to pet her or something. Bear don't care.